Hello everybody, I'm Victoria Weather Meteorologist Ryan Henning. I'm here with a look at Trenton, New Jersey, and quite literally, this is a look at Trenton, New Jersey. That's the state capital of the Garden State, and that is exactly where we're forecasting for today. For those that don't have a picture of the geography of where exactly Trenton is, it's that dot right there where it's 67 degrees with sunny skies. So we've got Manhattan right here, New York City. Philadelphia is down to the southwest of Trenton. And it's kind of right in the middle of the two cities. Like I said, it's 67 right now. It's clear skies in the state capital of the Garden State, and that's really warm for the month of October. And indeed, that has been there's been record highs across the region for this entire week, really, the past stretch of days. Excuse me, didn't press the cough button. Usually when you get temperatures that warm in autumn, that means there's something strong and nefarious just off to the west. And frankly, that's what we've got going on right now. There's a stronger area of low pressure parked in the middle of the country, and we can see it here on satellite. I'll pull back, and you can see it's centered right here. We've kind of got a warm front up here. That's why you've got this fan of clouds, which is mostly showers, isolated embedded thunderstorms north of the Ohio River, and a weak cold front extending from the Ozarks down through the Wichita Falls area of Texas, where there are a few lingering, isolated, severe storms. So this has been strong enough. I'm going to show you the upper level pattern here in a second, but it is a sharp upper level trough, so that's drawing a lot of warm, moist air north from the Gulf of Mexico, and that is what's bringing Trenton such unseasonably pleasant temperatures. This is something else that we need to watch. It's not named yet. It's what's called an invest. That means the National Hurricane Center and other interested forecasting bodies are monitoring it for the potential for tropical development. If it does do anything, maybe it'll be a tropical storm. Don't hold your breath, but it will have a significant impact going forward this week and into this weekend, particularly in New England, which is, of course, a little further north than New Jersey, which is in the mid-Atlantic. But it is something that we will need to monitor, and it will impact things going forward. So let's take a look at that upper level pattern. So this trough here in the plains, that is what's feeding our developing area of low pressure over Illinois. And this is kind of a classic pattern for a developing system. Without getting too deep into the woods, I will just say what you want is something stacked diagonally. So you want your trough to be a little bit further west of your upper or your surface area of low pressure. That's just a good way to facilitate the development of a system. And that's exactly the type of pattern we have. And as we move forward and as we progress this trough to the east, you can see it gets sharper and deeper over the next several days. So this is Thursday night, tomorrow night. And then if we move forward just all the way through Friday, that's what we'll have. By this point, that surface area low pressure should be pretty strong, pretty intense. So let's see if we've got any ground truth to that. Let's back this up. I have had a few rough drafts on this. Okay, so this is tonight. This is almost where we are. This is actually a few hours ago. So there's your showers and storms over the center of the country moving forward. And despite the lack of precip, where we've got all those clouds, that makes total sense because warm fronts generally make the stratiform clouds, a few showers and thunderstorms. And so a broader cloud field with more isolated shower activity is exactly what you would expect from a warm front. And this more focused band of showers and thunderstorms indicates a cold front, and that's pretty much what we're seeing. So let's watch this over the next 24 hours as it blows up and moves into Appalachia. So this is about noon tomorrow. Looks like a pretty nasty day for the eastern Great Lakes. And then through the day, yeah, that's a beast. There's probably going to be a few showers and thunderstorms that could go severe from Charleston down towards Jackson, Mississippi. So we will need to monitor that, but also keep an eye on our invest down here as it starts slinking towards the coast. So let's march it through Friday then. And it kind of looks like that area of low pressure is getting absorbed into our invest, and it's moving everything away from New Jersey. So here's New Jersey. This is our cold front. This is all associated with the invest. There's a nice little dry window for New Jersey. Now, that seems a little precise for what we know about models and technology. So there's probably a chance for some showers and storms, but it looks like these two systems are going to be foils to one another, and we may end up with a significantly better forecast than it appears if you were to say two systems are approaching your region and will merge virtually on top of you. So then this is into the weekend, and that's not a good time in New England. So we talked about how southerly flow will bring warmer temperatures, some humidity into the region, but on the backside of it, there's also going to be quite a bit of chilly air. So let's take a look at our temperature forecast trends, and that is exactly what we're seeing. So expect quite a few clouds, a little bit of rain mixed in. So we're going to have pretty identical forecast highs both Thursday and Friday in Trenton. But then look at those temperatures really drop off. That's going to be after that combo system pulls away. It's really going to be an efficient job of cycling in cold air. So temperatures the next 2 days will still be in the low 70s, but then by Saturday morning, we're going to be back down in the mid 40s. So, yeah, too bad everything has to go down the pipes for the weekend. Hope you enjoyed the forecast. I am Victoria Weather Meteorologist Ryan Henning, and enjoy your evening.